Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, June 2023, 52 win question number 4. Okay. And what question is a fair five-sided spinner has a side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mentioned. Spinner is spun repeatedly until a 2 is obtained on the side and spinner lands. It means my concern is 2. So my concern is 2. So probability of the favor is very simple, is 1 out of 5. And not favor, not favor, not favor are naturally 4 over 5. He say what is X represents donates the number of spinners required to have this 4. So let's see how we can get it apart. So remember when the word until or at the start, like a first time appearing, first attempt. So we use always geometrical probability. The word until help us to guess this is a topic of geometrical probability. And two formulas we use for geometrical probability, one equals to R and one more than R. That just for extra knowledge. Q to power R minus 1 into P, and here Q to power R. But currently we have to use this formula, logically very clear, because equal to 4. So a P value I have it, Q value I have it. So apply formula. X is equals to R, Q to power R minus 1 into P. I replace every R by 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Q value is 4 upon 5, and here 4 minus 1 into 1 over 5. And if we type this in calculator, we are getting answer 0.1024. And that's it. Let's go for next part. Next part, he say less than 6. And let me repeat, geometrical probability never start from 0, it start from always 1. So that is why 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. So now what is saying less than 6. So how to deal with that? So part B, X is less than 6. And I show with the help of number line. I believe if you see the number line, question becomes very easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 onwards, continue forever. He's saying less than 6, so I need 5, I need 4, 3, 2, 1. But I don't need 6, I don't need 7, I don't need onward values, I don't need. And all of you know the sum of the all values is equals to 1. So what is the best technique? How to get a probability? If 1 minus, I want to subtract what, students? These numbers I want to subtract to get this my answers. And how to, what is this? Can I pronounce this? Can I pronounce these values? X are more than 5? 100%, because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are more than 5. So more than 5, I will use now this formula more. So actually I converted my question and form in this one. So more than 5. So I'll use that one. That is coming. Probability X is more than 5. So more than 5 formula is Q to power 5. And finally, I get my answer. Q is 4 upon 5 to power 5. And my answer is finally is coming with me is, let me check, 0.672. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the point is very clear. And let's talk about the other. Otherwise, we have to apply formula 5 times. Which formula, students? The upper formula, write 5 times or convert your question in this format. I believe you students are understanding. And let's talk about the next part. So now two fair five-sided spinner, each side spin labeled 1 to 5 are spun at the same time. So two fair. Okay, so it means we have to spin 2. So and if the numbers obtained are equal, I mean equal means, student, what means? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. This is called score are equal. Then we will write score 0 for it. Or otherwise, if the score is a higher and one number smaller, higher number minus smaller number. So give example like 3 and 1. So I will subtract them, answer become a 2. So let's have a look, please. As a teacher, I suggest you don't try this question. You don't try the rest part of question without this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, it would be very, very tough. And with this table, it become easy. 1, 1 same numbers, so difference is 0. 2, 2 same numbers, the difference is 0. Then 0, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. I believe you understood very well how I got it. Now 2 and 1 subtract, I got a 1. 3 minus 1, I got a 2. 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 subtract, bigger number, small, I got a 1. And 3 and 2 subtract, I get a 1, 2, 3. Here I got a 2, 1, 1, 2. Here I got a 3, 2, 1, and 1. Here I got a 4, 3, 2, and 1. I believe all of you understood how I got a table. Okay. Now, students, what the question he is asking, let's go back to the point. He's saying, find the probability the score is greater than 0. I repeat, given that is there, given that is conditional probability. So given that, after given that, what is that? Will go directly in denominator. Okay. So what is that? That score is not equal to 2. Score is not equals to 2. So I'm writing here, score is not equals to 2. So have a look how we can get it. I put blue boxes. Probability is, let me recheck. Probability is not equals to 2. So it means not equals to 2. I put a not equals to 2, not equals to 2. There are how many numbers are not equals to 2? Not equals to 2. Though all those numbers which I'm putting in boxes are not equal to 2. I think there's a very, very, very easy. Not equal to 2. Rather than putting a boxes, just count them even. No issue at all. So not equals to 2. Okay. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it becomes 19 over 25. Why 25, students, is a very clear, because they are 5 into 5, 25. So in denominator, I'm writing 19 over 25. So this is a given that I taught before. So whenever given that, after given that, what probability will go directly in denominator. Now, very interesting part, what will come in numerator. Students, what to do? You will remove the word given that and write a and the and read all together, and that value will come in the numerator. So let's read. Score is 0, greater than 0. I repeat, score is more than 0, and it is not 2. Repeat, score is greater than 0 and not equal to 2. Score is greater than 0. Score is greater than 0 and not equal to 2. Okay, I put a crosses. Score not greater than 0, and not equal to 2. This number is not 0 and greater than 2. No, sorry, this is not. Wait a minute. Let me read again. Mixing up. Score is greater than 0 and not equal to 2. So bigger than 0 but not equal to 2. Short story, I will take all more than 0, but I will not take 2. So this I will take, this I will take, this I will take, I will take this, I will take, wait a minute, no, not 2. So I will take this number, I will take this number, I will take this number, this number, I will take this number, I will take this number, I will take this number, this, and this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 numbers are satisfying this situation. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, over 25. And if we simplify, we cancel out, and answer is finally coming 14 over 19, which is equal to 0.737. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe this concept is very, very clear. It was a C part, is really tricky, but not that much tricky, but some attention is required. Okay, now just 2 spinners are spun the same time repeatedly. It means the table I made on top will play a role. But he said, no, okay. And he said that 9 random chosen spinners of a 2 spinner. So as n is 9, this is n equals to 9. How I know that? Because 9 times he is choosing the results. Find the probability the score is greater than. Okay, now your question very important. Are both C and D under title of this paragraph? Answer is yes. It means the top paragraph, this paragraph is implementing on C and D both. So it means that the probability score is greater than 2 at least 3 attempts. So greater than 2 means what? A score is greater than 2. So let's count from here. So greater than 2, I just put a blue circles, green circles. Greater than 2. Let me read again. It's greater than 2. Let me check. The score is greater than 2. Yeah, okay. Greater than 2. So greater than 2, greater than 2, greater than 2. Then greater than 2, greater than 2, and greater than 2. How many count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers are satisfying our question. 6 numbers. So probability of 6 out of 25. I believe you understanding well how I got 6 out of 25. And Q naturally 1 minus 6 over 25 becomes 19 over 25. N, as you know, N is 9. Why 9? Because we are choosing a sample of 9. But he said that at least 3 occasion out of 9, at least 3 occasion it must happen. Best technique of doing is what, students? As I've done in my previous lectures. So best technique, binomial, start from 0. I must write all numbers. If you make expert, no need to make all these numbers. So out of 9, he said at least 3. At least 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me read again. At least 3, he said. Yeah, at least 3 occasions out of 9. So it means these I need, but I don't need 2, I don't need 1, I don't need 0. And you know all, okay, this is sum of the all is equal to 1. So can I say probability is equal to 1 minus x is equals to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2. And I will use the binomial probability, which is formula NCR Q2 power n minus R P2 power R. You may ask questions, sir, why you're not using Q2 power R minus 1 into P geometrical probability. This use only when you use the word until or first attempt is not coming. So we have to use this one. So let's start. 9C0, 2 brackets. 9C1, 2 brackets, and 9C2, 2 brackets. In the first, 9 minus 0 come on the top. So 9 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 1, 1, 9 minus 2, and 2. First bracket, we get a Q. So 19 over 25, 19 over 25, 19 over 25. 6 over 25, 6 over 25, 6 over 25. If you type in calculator, students, so answer is coming 0.371, which is our required answers. Answer, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I believe you got a point very clear, and question is completely over.